To enhance your Call of Duty installation loop experience in 2025, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smoother and more efficient setup. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before starting the installation, verify that your PC or console meets the minimum system requirements for the game. This includes checking the processor, RAM, graphics card, and available storage space. Step 2. Update your operating system. Ensure that your operating system is up to date. This can help prevent compatibility issues during installation and improve overall performance. Check for updates and install any pending ones before proceeding. Step 3. Download the latest game files. Visit the official game website or your platform store to download the latest version of the game files. Make sure to download any patches or updates that may be available to enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 4. Optimize your storage. Free up space on your hard drive or SSD by removing unnecessary files or uninstalling unused applications. A clean storage environment can speed up the installation process and reduce the chances of errors. Step 5. Follow installation instructions carefully. Once you have everything prepared, follow the installation instructions provided by the game. Pay attention to any prompts and ensure that you select the correct installation options to avoid issues later on. By following these steps, you can enhance your installation experience and get ready to enjoy the game with minimal hassle. Happy gaming!